Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Sorry, we're very up close and personal here, but today I am going to show you how I put on my magnetic lash. I have been loving them. The first time that I got my hands on them, I was like, I'm never gonna use this, because at first it was really hard to put them on, but once you got the concept of it, within 10 seconds you'll have your fake lashes on, no fuss. So let's get to it. So the first step will be to remove that string at the end of the magnetic lash, and then you have to have a mirror. Although this casing for the magnetic lash already has a mirror, I prefer having a mirror in front of me and having my two hands free. I love a mirror that I can put below my face because I want to see where the lashes lay. So when your mirror is here, you can really see the angle where the lashes would lay on. So first I'm going to grab the right magnetic lash. So there's magnet at the end of the lash. So the inner corner and then the outer corner. I always start with the outer corner first. So I am going to lay this on my real lash. Don't worry about the inner corners, just make sure that the outer corner is near the root of your lashes, because if that is in the middle or at the ends of your lash, when you put the bottom magnetic lash, it wouldn't look natural. It would just grasp wherever you lay it on. So make sure that you put this near the root of your lash. And then I kind of pull my eye up like that, so I can scoop this bottom magnetic lash in there. So I'm going to pull it up and then scoop this in. If you feel that it's very tight or you feel that it's not secure, you just do this motion with your fingers to adjust the magnet. And then you grab the small one for the inner corner. And again, make sure that this is near your root. So I'm holding it like this, making sure that the magnet is near the roots and I have space to put this on. And I tilt my head up. There. That's it. I also find this very handy. I have this tweezer that's very small that you can just, so you can press your real lash and your fake lash together. Once you get the hang of it, within 10 seconds, you're done. Maybe just 5. So just lay it. And pull up. I love it because it's very convenient and very affordable, and I just love that I don't have to use glue, because when you're in a hurry, that's when things get ugly. Sometimes you don't have the time to wait for the glue to dry and just put it on and it just moves. And this is so easy to adjust. I'm going to show you how I remove it. It's so easy. You just have to do this motion with your fingers and slide out the bottom magnet. So like, remove that. So that's the lower piece. And then so this is the right, and that's the right lower piece. And it doesn't lose its shape because there's no glue and you don't need to actually put mascara. If you want to put mascara, go for it. and you just have to store it back to its container, and that's it. I don't put mascara on them because I just don't think I need it. I put mascara on my actual lash and then I put this on. And with regard to cleaning, you just spray some alcohol and just wipe it with a Q-tip or a lint-free remover, and there, that's it. You don't have to worry about any glue. You don't have to worry about your real lashes sticking to the false lashes. It's very, very easy to put on and to remove. I'll also be putting where you could get these lashes on the description bar down below. So that's it. I hope that you guys find this video informative. If you did, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll always be updated when a new video comes out. Thank you so much guys for watching.